Welcome to my honest review of PassCamp, a cloud-based password manager focused on secure team collaboration. Right from the landing page, you can tell that PassCamp is designed to be clean, minimalistic, and user-friendly. It doesn't overwhelm you with too much technical jargon or marketing fluff. Instead, it emphasizes encrypted sharing, zero-knowledge architecture, and team-first functionality. When you sign up, the onboarding process is straightforward. You create an account, verify your email, and you're immediately directed to a simple dashboard. No clutter, no distractions. Adding your first password is just a matter of clicking the Add New button, typing in the details, and saving it. One of the standout features here is the ability to share credentials securely with teammates while maintaining role-based permissions, meaning you can decide exactly who sees what. Their team collaboration tools are where PassCamp tries to separate itself from other managers. You can set up teams, create access rights, and manage shared items without needing advanced admin knowledge. While this sounds great on paper, in practice, it works well, but isn't always intuitive. Sometimes the UI doesn't reflect changes immediately, which can create a bit of confusion. The platform does not support importing passwords directly from browsers or other managers without a CSE, which may be a drawback for users switching over. Another limitation is the lack of advanced autofill features you might find in alternatives like Bitwarden or 1Password. Autofill in PassCamp works in most cases, but occasionally fails on complex login pages. Security-wise, PassCamp offers zero-knowledge encryption and 2FA, but doesn't provide biometric login for desktop versions. That said, the core principle of keeping user data private is adhered to well. For teams, especially remote ones, this kind of architecture can be extremely useful for compliance and trust. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. The mobile app mirrors the web version almost identically, and while it's lightweight and fast, it lacks offline access, which can be a deal breaker for travelers or anyone working without constant internet. Another concern is that there's currently no integration with popular SSO providers, which larger businesses might expect by default. Pricing is straightforward, with a free tier for individuals and scalable team pricing. However, there are cheaper options out there with more features. Support is responsive, but only available by email, no live chat or phone options. Overall, PassCamp is a solid tool for small to mid-sized teams who need basic password management with strong security. It's not the most feature-rich manager out there, and it has a few rough edges, but for straightforward, no-nonsense password storage and sharing, it does the job well. If you're looking for a minimal password manager that puts team access control first, PassCamp is worth a try. Just be aware of the limitations before fully committing. If this review helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more honest tech breakdowns, and drop a comment if you tried PassCamp or are considering switching.